Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. You guys, my dog is sneezing or doing something underneath the table. Sorry. If you hear a sound, it's my dog. If you guys could see in front of me, I literally have like a mountain of yarn. Yes, I do have a yarn room. Yes, I'm in my kitchen. I don't know. I like to film in here. I like the lighting in here in the afternoon, in the morning and the afternoon. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Anyway, I have a mountain of yarn. I have all this yarn and we're gonna have a giveaway. First, I'm going to talk to you guys about my projects. I know I'm making that face. Let me talk to you about this project. This is actually really, really cute. I got this project from this is super, super cute. Look at that, first of all. It's a flower. I will be making the tutorial for this week. Look at how gorgeous that is. Super, super cute, super easy. What am I going to make with this? I want to make something. I have no idea what. This is kind of another project to have just kind of going in the background. These are really, really easy to make. These kind of almost look like butterflies, I think. I did get this pattern from a book. Of course, I don't have the book in front of me. I actually got it from the library. I did modify the pattern, especially in this round. There was like some huge gaps in between here, so I just added some stitches, but this is super, super gorgeous. I will be making the tutorial, like I said, this week. So super, super fun. It is a flower. I know it kind of looks wonky right now, but it's super, super pretty. You guys, with me, you have to know my hand issues. I am older. I'm 52. So I took a literal year off from this channel. Oh, another thing I have to ask you guys, but my hand, it was really, really bad. I had 2 procedures done. I had a cortisone or some kind of injection. I went through physical therapy, all kinds of stuff. So now I can literally only crochet for like 10 to 15 minutes at a time. I have to just really, really be mindful of that. And it's all related to my back issues, everything. It's just, I'm a mess. But I know how to deal with the issues that I have now. So that's why I can't just sit and crochet. I can't do it because it really messes up my hand and it really messes up my back horribly. So keep that in mind, you guys. When you get older, I used to crochet like all day, every day. I mean, and I've been crocheting for 26 years, 27 years. How did that happen? Anyway, that's wild. And part of my back issues too are because of crocheting. I didn't want to believe that. But anyway, I do what I can when I can, and I have been crocheting a little bit. So I do it in little bits here and there. So I am slow, but I am trying to complete projects and be mindful of my health. I will get to what I was going to ask you guys, but first, so I'm doing this and it's a 4mm hook, okay? And I'm also working on the scarf, you guys. The scarf is, this is all I have done of the scarf. Why? Because in my brain, so I get, really into this, and this is 4mm hook again. And then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna work on the scarf. So instead of picking up this is 5mm. So instead of picking up a 5mm hook, I just work with this one. So I literally do 2 or 3 rows. And I'm just like, and then I'm like, Oh no, I have to frog all the way back. So I get nothing done. I've gotten nothing done. And I keep doing it over and over, like all this week, this past week. So I just need to focus on this. So I just focused on this. Have you guys ever done that? My God. Anyway, that's what I have going on right now for you. Super awesome, you guys. Let's get to this giveaway. I hope you all are doing awesome. What I was going to ask you, please, I don't mean to point, but I point when I talk, so sorry about that. I don't mean to be rude if it's rude. My daughter's like, don't point. Anyway, as you know, I'm making videos. I'm back on YouTube. I'm so excited. I'm back in my kitchen, and I'm getting my hours up. So last year, of course, I made like a couple of videos during the earlier part, and then my hand was all messed up. So if you guys, I lost my monetization. If you guys could please start watching my crochet tutorials that I've done, that would help me tremendously to get remonetized. I need to get remonetized, and I'm making more videos, you guys, but if you guys could please help me out, just have them playing in the background. That's what I've been doing. Every little bit counts. My crochet tutorials, or even this video, or my yarn hauls, not the short videos, you guys. No shorts, because shorts do not count in the monetization. It has to be the long form horizontal videos, okay? So like my crochet tutorials, my yarn hauls, any of the past yarn giveaway videos like that. Please, you guys, just have them playing in the background. Thank you so much. Anyway, let's get to this giveaway. So I've been staring at all my yarn, and back in the giveaway groove. And you guys, I used to do these where it's like a you pick yarn giveaway. So I'm gonna try and go through these fast. So big twist. I used to buy this, at Joann's. Who misses Joann's? I do. Michael's just isn't the same, you guys. I loved Joann's. Anyway, I gotta stop talking. This is all the yarn here. So how this works is I'm going to, look at all of this. There's 3 more. Wow. I'm going to say the names of the yarn. Pay attention to that. That's all I'm saying. Okay, we'll start with this one. So this is Big Twist Yarn. Big Twist Yarn is a lot like Super Saver Yarn. It's awesome. I've made several projects with this. They actually are selling this at Michael's. Michael's and Joann are combining. I don't know if Michael's bought Joann's or something, but when you go to Michael's, they have the Joann, not slogan, but they have the Joann signs in there with the yarn. So they're going to do some kind of collab. Joann went out of business, and I'm so sad. Let's not talk about it because I get sad. Anyway, Joann, or Big Twist Yarn, used to buy it at Joann's all the time. It is 100% acrylic. It is kind of like Red Heart yarn. I prefer Big Twist Yarn, but so sad, you guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm babbling. 5mm hook, 4 weight. These have how many yards? 380 yards. So you get a ton of yarn per skein. This color is called Varsity Gold. Pretty. where am I guess I'm just gonna put this down. This color is called Burnt Orange. This is like a darker orange, gorge. I love this green. I bought a bunch of this green. I used to. It's so funny. My husband was like, what are you going to do with all this yarn? I'm like, I'm going to give it away. And then he's like, and then he opened the closet. The closet in the yarn room has boxes. And in those boxes, guess what's in there? More yarn. I used to just shop for yarn. I don't do that anymore. Well, I could, but anyway, olive green is this color. Really, really, really pretty. I used to get boxes and boxes and boxes and boxes of yarn. Hot pink. I need to get remonetized so I can get boxes and boxes and boxes of yarn. Chocolate brown. Soft gray. This is really, really pretty. I literally just grabbed it. Black. Varsity orange. Did I get no, it was the varsity gold. A lot of people like this. I remember I used to give this one away a lot. People would pick that. This is such a pretty color. This one is, oh my God, Anne. Pale yellow. That one's really, really pretty. That's nice for springtime. I was going to start putting colors together, but no. This is deep red. And this one is varsity red. They were really into the varsity, I don't know what I'm saying. What do you have to do to win this yarn? All you have to do is please, please, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I can check now. Another thing, my giveaways are US based only. So sorry, you guys, I cannot ship internationally. International shipping is crazy right now. Maybe they'll come down, I don't know. But right now I can only ship to US addresses. And what do you have to do to win this yarn? How do you enter? All you have to do, you guys, is pick 4 of your favorite colors. Answer down below 4 of your favorite colors. Leave them in the comment section, and I will be picking a winner for this giveaway on, let's say, this Friday. This Friday, I don't know what date that is, but this Friday will be the winner picked, okay? Have your notifications on. Hit that bell up there so you can be notified when I have new videos out. I might be do 2 giveaways a week now. I don't know. So anyway, you guys, I hope this video made sense. I don't know. I feel like I'm rambling. I hope you guys are doing awesome out there. Let me grab all this. Let's see here again. Let me see if I can hold all this. Okay, hold on one second. Okay, I think that's all I can hold. Anyway.